The National Weather Service in Houston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, which is in effect until 6:12 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning, which is in effect until 6:12 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Stay tuned for more information on this severe thunderstorm. Remember, a severe thunderstorm means that there will be lightning bolts on the sky and heavy rain, hail, thunderblock, and mountain dew to cause damage. Stay tuned for further information. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the internet community. A computer virus warning has went into Austin, Texas, and the cause of this virus is due to the severe thunderstorm. I'm doing an EAS Scenario. And we also have some information that any sound from the severe thunderstorm, a computer virus will go to on every screen. We do not know why this is happening, and we do not know the virus name. But we do know that please do not go on any computer at this time and seek shelter due to the severe thunderstorm. Stay tuned for further information on this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Houston Police Department. A 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued due to the fact that the severe thunderstorm has caused computer viruses and also a 911 telephone outage. Remember, do not call 911 unless if it is a real emergency. Stay tuned for further information. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Houston Police Department. We have more information about this computer virus. The computer virus name is 612-0, and computer virus 612-0 is extremely dangerous. It will cause any computer to have a virus. Do not go on your computer at this time. Stay tuned for further information. An administrative message from the Houston Police Department and the Houston Emergency Management Agency. The computer virus has gone away, so is the severe thunderstorm. We will now resume to regular programming at this time. You can go out of your shelter now. The thunderstorm is over.